It's mother versus daughter, Ipsy Glam Bag time. So if you want to see who's got the better bag, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And these are Ipsy Glam Bags. So these are for the month of February. And I'm going to show you the bag. I have one item outside of the bag. So the pull tab is super cute. It looks like a little lollipop. And then the bag has little hearts. And on the inside, there are purple hearts and a white background. All right, so let's see. I have no information about mine, but Chloe has information about hers. All right, you both have one item out of the
Same thing.
bag, and this is the Glow Baby by Pacifica. It is a enzyme scrub with vitamin C and glycolic acid to exfoliate and brighten. And that looks like a travel size. Yes, it's a travel size, $5 value. All right, go ahead.
Okay. Ooh, cool.
Yeah, isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Pomegranate facial oil.
Yeah, we have a full size of that in the bathroom. So that's by Do of the Gods. It's the Palm Glaze Pomegranate and Retinol Face Oil. I do have a full size of this, so we're not going to open that up. And I have by Sulwaso. Let's see what this is. It's Concentrated Ginseng Renewing Cream. And that's going to be a deluxe sample. What you got?
I got this jelly lip tint and blush.
Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah, it's by Mo Beauty. I'm gonna open this up.
And it's in Chili Crisp. This is a full size with a $32 MSRP. So that right there pays for the bag.
Yep. Oh, look, it's a nice color.
Mm.
Yeah, I need you to do it. Oh, yeah, that makes more sense.
There you go. Ooh, look
yeah,
at
that's
that.
so pretty.
Look, it's like Jello.
Yeah, I know. I've seen these all over the place. Let me
Have
just
you?
put this
Oh.
down. Yeah. Should I put on my lips or on my fingers because it goes on your cheeks and lips?
Wherever you want.
Well, should I put it directly on my lips or on my finger and then on my lips?
Maybe swatch it first to see what the color looks
sure.
like.
Do I put it on this side?
Sure.
Ooh, that feels so nice.
Mm.
That is the color. It's a lot different than this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's lighter.
In pinky, this is more of a,
Mm-hmm.
it is really pretty though. I don't know if that's showing up. I think it just...
No, it's not showing up. I think you have to put it directly on. Yeah, it's very light.
Oh, yeah. It feels so nice. Oh, it smells like cucumber melon.
Yeah, it does. Nice.
I'm going to put a little bit on my cheek. Can you hand me that mirror?
Yep.
Thank you.
All right, and I got the same thing in the same color.
Looks like we'll be giving one away.
I guess so, yeah. Put that aside. You know?
Yeah, it could definitely be blended in better, but...
Yeah.
Hey, I don't have anything to really do that, so... I got a Champagne Glow highlighter.
And that's by Chico Beauty. It's in Champagne Glow. And that is a deluxe sample. Oops.
Last but... Oh.
It's my turn. When I get a turn?
I mean, I guess.
Okay.
If you really want a turn.
I have the Brighten, Glow, and Hydrate Cacao, Caffeine, and Jojoba. Oh, it's by Koa Life, and it is the Light Me Up Eye Treatment. And that is 8 milliliters.
Now, last but not least, I have my Barrier Culture Body Cream Probiotic Complex by New.
That's by the new company. And so while that is, how many milliliters? Let's see. This is 30 milliliters. The full size of 100 milliliters is $48. And it has pre, pro, and postbiotics that support your skin's microbiome. All right, and my last item is a Lower East Side eyeshadow crayon in the color Velvet Thorn. So another full-size item for me. I got 2 full sizes and a travel. No, yeah, 2 full sizes and a travel this time. And there's the color. So it's a nice like champagne-y color. That's pretty. All right, so cute bags. Definitely A for effort on these bags this time around. And I have the body scrub. Where is it, the face scrub? For face or body?
I don't know. I think face?
I don't know. Well, I got the scrub and the eye crayon, the eye cream, some face cream, and the jelly blush / lip tint.
I got the body cream, the highlighter, the serum, the scrub, and the blush.
So tell us who had the better variation. All right, well, that's all we have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.